In today's video, I'll show you how to add upsells to your Shopify cart in 2025. Upselling is one of the easiest ways to boost your average order value by encouraging customers to buy related or complementary products. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top, you'll see the search bar, type Apps, and hit Enter. This will take you to the Apps section where you can extend your store's functionality. Next, in the app search field, type LIOT. This is a popular app that specializes in smart upsell offers. Click on LIOT Smart Upsell, then hit the Install button. Confirm the installation, and once it's added, you'll be ready to create your first upsell. Inside the app, click Add Offer. This is where you'll design the upsell your customers will see. You can choose to enable discounts, which is a great way to make the offer more tempting. Enter the discount percentage you want to apply, keeping in mind how it impacts your margins. Next, click on Design Form to customize how your upsell looks and feels. Here, you can adjust the text and style so it matches your store's branding. When you're happy with the setup, click Save Offer. Now, to activate the upsell on your store, open the Theme Editor. On the left side, look for the App Embed icon. Toggle the upsell feature on, then click Save to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully added upsells to your Shopify cart. This simple feature can significantly increase your revenue and improve the shopping experience. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other Shopify tutorials.